Kia ora. Welcome to Cleaning in Education by Advanced International Cleaning Systems. Today, we will be going through some basic information on cleaning and hygiene in education. The main purpose is to educate you properly on how to clean and maintain a high standard of hygiene in your school facilities. At the end of this presentation, there will be 15 questions to answer. Better grab a pen and a paper and get ready to write down important information. Feel free to pause and play back the video if necessary. So let's get started and keep the ball rolling. Cleaning and hygiene in your school. A school may be composed of buildings, residence halls, classrooms, workrooms, gymnasiums, pools, and a lot more. You have students, support staff, and professors or teachers who will be spending most of their time in these sites. Our main goal is to ensure that all sites are clean to a high standard to protect the well-being of the school community. It is very important that we provide a clean and safe school environment. A clean and healthy school environment may influence the behavior of students, teachers, and admin staff because they spend a lot of time inside enclosed spaces like classrooms and offices. With a clean environment, students and teachers will have a lower chance of getting sick, hence resulting in a lower absenteeism rate. It also can create a positive learning experience, thus it can raise the academic achievement of the individual and the school overall. With the new work-safe regulations, it is quite important to understand that with proper cleaning and maintenance, you are reducing the chance of someone having an accident on your site, like sleeping on the floor. With good occupational safety and health standards, your school will look good in the eyes of your community. Regular maintenance of the site can also minimize breakdowns and excessive depreciation of assets like your chairs and equipment, thus increasing its lifespan. Remember, all of this somehow can increase your bottom line results, allowing you to redirect more of your school's budget to more important stuff. How does one getting sick affect your school? Did you know that colds and influenza are the most common illnesses that hinder students from attending school? According to ISSA, 22 million school days are lost annually due to common cold, and 38 million school days are lost annually due to influenza. In New Zealand alone, according to Kidney Health New Zealand, more than 200,000 New Zealanders catch the flu each year. Influenza isn't just a bad cold, it can be serious. With regular and proper cleaning, you can lessen the spread of disease-causing bacteria. Did you know that almost 2.7 million bacteria per inch can be found in the water fountain alone? The most common surfaces where bacteria harbors are called hotspots. Imagine other popular bacteria school hotspots. Just by holding the cafeteria plate and tray during lunch hours, using the school computer keyboards, or just by going to the bathroom. Bacteria is definitely everywhere. When it comes to cleaning, the health and safety of the cleaner and the people around you is also imperative. You must know the importance and implications of practicing safety when you are cleaning. Advance concentrates on the safety and cleanliness of the environment of its employees, clients, and its community. Bacteria and other germs can easily spread from one place to another, transferred by people or objects. Everyone knows the importance of washing hands after using the bathroom, but not everyone is aware of the importance of using different cleaning equipment in different areas. One of the practices that we encourage is using a color coding scheme when cleaning multiple areas in your site. Advance carries color coding practices in some of our cleaning equipment to prevent cross-contamination. Cross-contamination, or the transfer of disease-causing organisms from place to place, can cause serious illness.
Color coding your cleaning equipment minimizes the risk of bacteria transfer between areas. You choose one color to use in each area. For University of Canterbury, the following color coding scheme is as illustrated. Blue for food preparation areas and tea rooms, green for general purpose, red is for bathroom and toilet areas, and yellow for glass and mirrored surfaces.
Let us break down the color coding scheme set up in your school when using cloths. Yellow cloths are to be used in cleaning all glass and mirrored surfaces. You have to clean all exposed surfaces using a yellow cloth and the approved cleaning chemicals by the school. To maintain, hang the yellow cloth daily to dry and launder when needed. For blue cloths, they are to be used in food preparation areas and tea rooms. You have to clean all surfaces using the blue cloth, hot water, and approved cleaning chemicals by the school. To maintain, rinse the blue cloth daily using hot water and hang to dry. You have to launder it every week. For green cloths, they are to be used for general purpose, especially damp dusting. It can also be used for wet wiping all furniture ledges, fittings, window sills, heaters, shelving, walls, cabinets, light shades, desks, and benches. Please exclude all technical equipment. You have to wet wipe all surfaces using the green cloth, hot water, and approved cleaning chemicals by the school. To maintain, rinse the green cloth daily using hot water and hang to dry, and launder it when required. And lastly, for red cloths, they are to be used in toilets, urinals, hand basins, exposed pipework, walls and doors, shower trays, and walls. You have to clean all exposed surfaces using the red cloth, hot water, and approved cleaning chemicals by the school. To maintain, rinse the red cloth daily using hot water and hang to dry, and you have to launder it every week. What is a safety data sheet? Safety data sheets provide information that you will need to safely manage the chemical products you used inside. A safety data sheet contains information that you need to familiarize yourself with before using a product. It is the primary source of hazard information and must be readily accessible to everyone. Each site must have a printed copy of the safety data sheets of all the chemicals being used. It must also be electronically available. You can have additional copies across different areas such as the kitchen, the cleaner's room, or your laundry area. Remember, a complete set must be kept in an area that can be accessed by everyone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in the case of an emergency. Cleaning chemicals are vital in making your site clean and safe. You have to make sure that you know how to handle and use these chemicals properly. Here are some tips on how to handle cleaning chemical the right way. Know where you keep your safety data sheet and tech data sheet. Make sure that you have safety data sheet at hand. Read the label and safety data sheet first before using and handling chemicals. Only use chemicals if they are properly labeled. Do not use any unlabeled chemicals. And consider all chemicals as hazardous and dangerous. Know what to do in case of emergency. Make sure to follow the label for proper dilution of the chemical. Make sure to protect yourself by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE such as gloves and goggles. This can be found in each chemical safety data sheet. Add chemical to water and not water the chemical. Test the product on the material that is to be cleaned in an inconspicuous area. Always refer to safety data sheets for storing, segregating, dispensing, and disposing the chemicals safely and correctly. Here are some tips to avoid mishaps, or worse, a serious accident or death. Handling of chemicals the wrong way. This must be remembered and avoided at all times. Never mix chemicals together. Never use chemicals from unlabeled containers. Manufacturer's labels give you all the basic information you require. You should always read the label before using a product, and you should never remove the label from the container. If you cannot find or read the label or suspect it is incorrect, tell your supervisor right away and the manufacturer as well, and do not use the contents. Never store chemicals in unlabeled containers. Never inhale or ingest chemicals to identify them. Refer to the labels. If there is no label, do not use the chemical. Never allow contact with skin or eyes. And never put chemicals near any kind of food, drinks, and medications. In order to use the products effectively, here are some tips that you can follow. Always follow the directions on the label. Dilute only as much as you need. The products will keep longer in their concentrated form, especially disinfectants. Keep products out of the sun and heat as much as possible. For the next following slides, we will go through the products that you will be using on your site. We will go through the features and benefits, how to use it, and the areas where you can use it. All Clean is a concentrated disinfectant cleaner. It has a proven germ-killing ability that kills bacteria at a concentration above 1 to 50. It is free rinsing and has a long-lasting fragrance of spice or tutti frutti. For All Clean, apply on the surface, then dilute as dispensed by the station. All Clean is highly recommended for areas and surfaces that requires disinfecting, especially on surfaces we call high touch points. For example, doorknobs. Someone is always going to open and close the door. Another example of high touch points that needs to be disinfected are door push bars, classroom desk, and library tables. Light switches, handrails, and even elevator buttons needs to be disinfected. And of course, some tools and equipment that are commonly used by the students and teachers need to be disinfected as well. Nature Scrub. Nature Scrub will help you clean the bathrooms. It is recommended for use on toilet bowls, urinals, and other areas in the bathroom. It is also an odor neutralizer. Nature Scrub is also enzyme boosted. It helps speed up chemical reaction, breaking down the stains and bacteria into simple elements, making it easier to clean. It is effective in dissolving body oils, soap scum, and uric acid deposits. Here's how to use Nature Scrub. For toilet bowls and urinals, apply liberally on the rim and on uric acid deposits. Then stand for as long as possible, and then agitate with a bowl brush and flush away. For toilet bowl maintenance, use Nature Scrub to prevent mineral stains. Pour 250 ml into toilet tank and allow to stand overnight, and then flush twice in the morning. It is advisable to repeat this weekly. Nature Scrub can also be used in septic tanks and portable toilets. It may be poured down drain lines to prevent organic buildup. Nature Scrub can also be used for general bathroom cleaning. Spray onto the sink, tub, shower, and walls, and then spread with cloth or brush and allow it to work for a few minutes. Agitate and rinse with clear water. For bathroom deodorization, dilute Nature Scrub as dispensed by the station and then spray. Nature Scrub can be used in the different areas of the bathroom. It can be used in cleaning the sinks, tubs, showers, walls, and toilet bowls. Here's another great product. Advanced Nature Glass Cleaner is a concentrated liquid designed to clean glass surfaces such as mirrors, window panes, windshields, and tabletops. It provides high-strength cleaning performance for difficult soils, leaving the surface clean and free of streaking and cloudiness. It is biodegradable and certified and licensed by Environmental Choice New Zealand. It is also New Zealand Food Safety Authority approved C32. Advanced Nature Glass Cleaner can be used in cleaning windows with squeegee or with a spray bottle and cloth. Dilute Advanced Nature Glass Cleaner as dispensed by the station. Use a scrubber and squeegee to clean the glass surface, or spray on and wipe off with a dry, lint-free cloth. If you use Advanced Nature Glass Cleaner in food contact areas or food surfaces must be rinsed thoroughly with a potable water before production starts. You can use Advanced Nature Glass Cleaner in cleaning mirrors, windows, and other glass surfaces using hot or cold water. Advanced Neutral Cleaner is an all-purpose floor cleaner. It is a general-purpose neutral detergent that leaves floors clean. It is excellent for cleaning walls, finished woodwork, and most other washable surfaces, including vinyl and terrazzo. It can be applied using a mop or an auto scrubber. For routine maintenance, dust mop floor with untreated mop or sweeper. Mix neutral cleaner in a mop bucket or auto scrubber as dispensed by the station. Neutral cleaner can also be used for deep scrub maintenance. First, dust mop floor with untreated mop or sweeper. Then, mix neutral cleaner in a mop bucket or auto scrubber as dispensed by the station. Auto scrub with a deep scrub pad, and lastly, rinse and allow to dry. Neutral cleaner can be used in cleaning walls, finished woodwork, vinyl, and terrazzo floors. And that's the end of the video presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to raise it to your supervisors. Thank you for watching.